People pay so much money for vacuums when I got this 5,000 Chihuahua edition vacuum here. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What else can you call it? You call it vacuum and it comes. Vacuum. Vacuum, come here, vacuum. Vacuum. See? It's very trained. Siri. Siri, come here. Siri.
Yeah,
It hovers
it's
around
great
you
with emotional
when you're
support, you know. It's great.
It's the best vacuum money
When
can
you're
buy.
stressed, you pet the vacuum. It's all good. When you have a vacuum in your house. People that have this vacuum are proven to be 50% happier than the people that don't.
Look at how it hovers around the whole kitchen.
See, it walks around on its own too.
And
It's portable.
It reacts. Interaction. Look at that thing.
It follows you around.
And it didn't
Bonus
cost me
points.
$3,000. Look at them. It's just sucking up all the stuff on the floor. It has high definition eyesight. Siri, come here. You can call it whatever you want and it'll come. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Come here, Siri. See that? Awesome.